In this tutorial example, we'll use ChatGPT to update Printful product descriptions when they're imported into your Shopify store. Let's see it in action. Here, we have a product from our third-party supplier, Printful. The data was imported correctly, but the description isn't great. Let's delete this and try a better way. Over in MESA, we made a workflow to run when a product is created and is tagged Printful. Then we use ChatGPT to rewrite the data supplied by Printful into a more engaging product description for our shoppers. Then we update the newly created product with the new description. Let's jump back to Printful. Using this product template, let's create a new product to be added to our Shopify store. Here, we'll specify the colors and variant options. Next, let's specify the product image mockups to be included. Now, we'll specify the product details. Notice the description isn't great, but we'll fix that. Be sure to tag the item Printful to trigger our workflow in MESA. Next, we need to define the pricing options for the product variants. When we're ready, we can send this new product automatically to our Shopify store. Back in Shopify, let's reload our product catalog page. Then, locate the new Printful product that was sent over. Now, let's see what ChatGPT came up with for our product description. There we go. That's looking much better. We can see the tag Printful was added, which was the trigger for the workflow in MESA. Jumping over to that workflow in MESA, we can click the Activity tab and see the automation running and the steps completed in real time. Pretty cool. And that's how you work smarter with MESA.